Hi, welcome back. My name's Cindy, and I'm a remote therapist in Florida, and I'm making little quick coping skills you can put into play to help you along your day. It can help reduce stress, depression, anxiety, and so we don't cope in unhealthy ways like by using drugs and alcohol, food, shopping, gambling, things like that. So I'm going to read you a little card that I got off a deck off of Timu, but it's a little stress less deck. I like it a lot. So this one's about affirmations. Practice positive affirmations about yourself throughout your day, such as, I am amazing, I am strong, I am healthy, I bake a great cake, or I made someone smile today. Write these down somewhere you can see them to remind yourself of your positive attributes and thoughts. Self-love affirmations can be a powerful emotional healing tool, as they can transform a negative self-image into a positive self-image. Self-love affirmations can help you increase your sense of power, reduce stress, and experience personal fulfillment. So there's a key to affirmations, because a lot of times people will recommend that people write affirmations like, I am amazing, or I love myself, things like that. If you don't believe it, it's not really worth what's written on the page. So I always encourage clients to write down a list of non-negotiable things that you know are good about yourself. We all have them. They may be small, but that's okay. So write down that list that you know that if I were to ask your friends, they would say, oh, that person's so loyal. Oh, that person's trustworthy. That person's a great caring friend. So I can write those down, and I know for a fact they're true. So then that will start helping your self-esteem grow to where we can make them that I am amazing, I am confident, I love myself, things like that. So start small and build up. I encourage you to write them on sticky notes, put them on your mirror, put them near wherever you are in your house a lot, put them in your car, something like that, so you're constantly seeing them, because there's been research that we can reprogram our brain, right? So if I'm seeing them and I'm not really paying much attention, like if I'm in the car, but I glance down and see it, I'm still putting that thought in there. So that way we're leaning more towards the positive than the negative, or our glass is more half full than half empty. I hope you do this, friend, because it works. I've done it in my own life, so I'm telling you, it does work. You'll feel less stressed, more positive, less depressed, less anxious, because you will not be dwelling on things like mistakes or errors that we make from time to time, because we all make them. So don't feel bad about that, because I haven't met a perfect person yet, and I know I'm definitely not. But if you try this out, leave any questions in the comments and I'll answer them for you. And if you like this video, give it a little thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel, because I'll be making more quick tips that you can put into play to help yourself feel more positive and have a better day. All right. Till next time, take care.